Nice.
So I'm lucky today because it's a Black Friday, so everything's 50% off. I was able to buy a set of silver stony collection. So it's a set of earrings and a necklace, and it's very, very nice. You know how the Swarovski crystals look like when they glitter? My gosh, I was so smitten by those collection. I wanted to buy another bangle, but it's a rose gold, and the rose gold color is a bit tarnishing already, so I didn't get it. But the beautiful stones on the front of the bangle is so beautiful. Anyway, so that's the Marco glass factory. I wish we could go to the factory where we could see how they mold glasses, shape it like that, and then color them. But I don't think we'll be allowed to anyway, because even in that store, the pictures and the videos are not allowed. I was just given one picture. They thought he was getting a picture of me, but we were videoing it. Look, this is the other side of the galleries. The glass factory galleries. Beautiful! This island specialty are these colorful, beautifully made glasses, beautifully shaped, artistically done. It's an alley of all the glass galleries. So everything is about stones and glass and artisan. So, lasagna. How do you like the lasagna? From Cafe Antica Tostato. I ordered toast, hot chocolate for you, and then cafe latte, and of course the hidden bread starter. So this is all going to be about 15 euros for our breakfast or brunch today. We're going to have to hurry because we have to catch the 2 p.m. closure. Before the closure of the glass factory, we have to be there before 2 p.m. It's only about 12.
Coming from France, dalla Francia, lì Fontainebleau in Francia. Questo è un materiale molto
glasses. So this is the glass factory museum. It used to be a church, and as you can see, all these colorful mosaic designs, you see them in the church. So fine. So I guess we're not gonna do a gondola today, which we planned yesterday because it's raining. What's the purpose of gondola? I was expecting to see a gondola man sing like the ones in Macau and in Vegas. Yeah, right. In Vegas in the Caesar's Palace, right?
BGC.
The Manila Venezia, the Venezia in BGC, Bonifacio Global City. But here is the original, yeah, the McKinley. But here is the original, and they're not singing at all. I've not heard at least one sing yesterday. Anyway, so even if we cancel the gondola today, which is 80 euro for a 30-minute trip for both of us, you're gonna have to pay 100 euro for a group, and that's also 30 minutes. And because it's raining, so we're not gonna have that chance. Anyway, we've seen all the sides of the canals yesterday, all the smallest canals in the area, and the biggest one, which is the Grand Canal. So it's okay, it doesn't matter. Today we're enjoying the factory, the glass factory island. What do you call this island? Murano. So this is the Murano Island in Venice. Do you notice that each island in Venice is totally different? Like this island is all about glasses and all these arts about the glass and the making of beautiful crystals. In our area, it's all the canals and what was that? The basilicas, all the churches. And since Leroy has searched and has seen that there's a Murano Palace, we're gonna have to search. Ah, shit, not that. Beautiful, oh my gosh. Tago-tago mo lang ako nag-video. Hindi binabasa yung palm ko. Amazing. To Rome, 60 euro per person, 6 hours. How many stops? Just direct? 905, 57. That's perfect. So we'll get the 6 hours, 25 minutes. One stop or no changes? No changes, the same train. One change. To where? 57.30 euro. 57 euros 30 cents. So because it's raining, we're staying here in Santa Lucia train station. Yes, and after Murano, we're supposed to go to Murano. Murano is a fisherman's village that has colorful Renaissance designed homes. So we're gonna go there. We still have time. It's 3:11 p.m. and it's an hour travel by boat from here, from Santa Lucia. So we're back to the Basilica di San Marco area. And the street that we haven't visited yesterday was this, where high fashion brands, and expensive brands are here. Louis Vuitton, Jimmy Choo, Prada. Prada's over there. So this is the high fashion street. It smells pure leather in here.
Hermes.
Hermes is right there. We couldn't make it to Murano anymore to see all those colorful painted Renaissance houses because it's similar to Murano in a way, which we were in the morning. Mass is at 5:15 at the Church of the San Moise. Here, it's actually here, right at the back of the, I forgot what's the Venice Grand Tower. So we're taking a sip of hot chocolate before going back to the church. So we're back at Santa Lucia Port. This is our third day, fourth half day here in Venice, and we're leaving Venice now. We're taking a 9:05 a.m. trip to a train to Rome, and today it's gonna be sunny when we're leaving. So already at Venice train, we left Santa Lucia like 30 minutes ago, and then we're taking the train from here, a cheaper option, one stop, going to Roma. But that's gonna take us 6 hours and a half travel. So if you're traveling anytime to Venice, you're gonna have to make sure you're ready for the walking a lot, because there's no other means of transportation except for walking. And then if you want to go to different islands, you take a boat. The only island that has taxis, cars, and buses is the Santa Lucia, because it's the main port. Fortress.
Arrivo a Arezzo. Murano, Arezzo.